This is the weather forecast video for Friday, September the 30th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system over the Great Lakes states with a cold front extending through the southern plains. This brought some showers, but strong gusty winds out of the northwest upwards of 50 to 60 miles per hour, with a high pressure moving in, creating some dry weather for a few days. Here's the watch warning map. From just before midnight, a frost advisory over South Dakota and Nebraska, some wind advisories over eastern Wisconsin and northeastern Illinois, and over Lake Michigan and Superior. Otherwise, the rest of the nation was fairly quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 7 o'clock shows that the main batch of precipitation will be off in the eastern Great Lakes and into New England and over the Pacific Northwest, where 4 to 5 inches of rain is possible there. Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a trough over the Great Lakes states with pulling in the cooler air with the northwesterly winds aloft, with a ridge over the desert southwest. And at the surface, the rain will be over the eastern Great Lakes. Here we'll have some northerly winds, not as strong as yesterday, but still temperatures will be in the 60s, maybe lower 60s in some areas. Saturday, we'll start off the day with some cool conditions, especially with the eastern counties where some frost is possible. Otherwise, temperatures will rebound into the 60s again over the state with sunshine. Sunday, the high pressure moves off a bit to the east. We may get some southerly winds, very light southerly winds. Temperatures maybe a degree or two warmer, mid to upper 60s. Monday, we still have some light southwesterly winds. Temperatures will be in about the mid to upper 60s with sunshine and maybe a few afternoon clouds at the time. Tuesday, same story, no change. Southwesterly winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour and highs in about the upper 60s to lower 70s, maybe warmer in the west. Wednesday, the winds begin to pick up a little bit in earnest, maybe southwest 10 to maybe 20 miles per hour, stronger out over the western counties. Temperatures in the lower to middle 70s with some upper 70s possible. Thursday, still strong winds south to southwest at maybe 10 to 20, maybe gusting up to 25 or 30. And the model wants to bring in maybe some rain in the far west. A week from today, October the 7th, here comes the next storm system. Big trough moving in, negative tilt, and some disturbances coming around it. And with that, low pressure over the Dakotas and showers, maybe some thunderstorms. This could also bring some severe weather very close by, maybe just south of us, so we will have to look at that in future runs. We move ahead further into Voodoo, October the 11th. Trough over the eastern Great Lakes and into New England, a big ridge over the central and southern plain states with the storm track well to our north and east. And with that, we will be dry as most of the storm systems will be to our north and to our east, so seasonal temperatures in the 60s to near 70 likely with this type pattern. And at the end of the forecast on October the 15th, ridge over the center part of the country, a trough over the Great Lakes and into New England. And with that, we've had that before, so that means some dry conditions and fairly cool conditions as the 540 line dives into New England and the Northeast. Now time for the weekend football forecast. Thank you for watching the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.